Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to take screenshots on our OnePlus Watch 2R smartwatch. So let's check it out. To take a screenshot on OnePlus Watch 2R, you should have connected your smartwatch with your smartphone via the OL app. If you haven't, please check the link in the description. We already published a full review about that. So open the OL app on your phone. This one. And then go to device at the bottom. And go to more. And here we have the option to take screenshot. Select that. It says tap the button below to take a screenshot of your watch. The screenshot will be saved to photos on your phone. Now take your smartwatch and open the page you want to take a screenshot. Suppose if I want to take a photo of this face watch, then make sure you are on this page and open your OL app and take screenshot option. You just have to select this. Taking screenshot. We get this cool animation whenever we take the screenshots. I'll show it again. Like this. Suppose if I want to take a photo of this app thing, I can again select this. That's all. To see our smartwatch screenshots, we can go to the Photos app and under More Albums, Other Screenshots, we can find them. These are not really high resolution, looks very basic, but we can find them here. We cannot do this directly via the smartwatch for some reason. Initially, I thought we can press both these buttons here and it will take a screenshot, but that is not working out. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts about taking screenshots on OnePlus Watch 2R in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.